Hi, I'm Corinne Diop. I'm professor of art in the School of Art, Design, and Art History at James Madison University. Well, my background is in photography, but I have a lot of different interests that play into that, and the result of my work is usually mixed media or photo collage and montage. Now that it's digital, it's not actually glued, it would be more montaged and done in the photo editing. Anything related to photography. So I teach everything from black and white darkroom, developing film and printing, to large format digital printing, and even a screen-based class. And I find that influences me in my own artwork as well, that I'm very broad in what I might end up using for my own art materials. For a fine artist, it's quite different than most professors on campus. Our research usually results in an exhibition somewhere, and that may be published in a book, but it would be mostly the images of the work rather than something that we write about the work. I think my research has an impact on different levels depending on the venue. When I exhibit somewhere locally, I can take my students there and we can talk about what I was thinking and the process. Colleagues from JMU are there, people I know locally. So that's a different kind of impact than when it's exhibited in a gallery or a university in another state. With that, often they'll bring in the artist as a visiting artist to give a lecture, maybe meet with students or do other activities. And so it's just with a different group of people. I really like the interaction here at JMU. People are very open to collaborating and trying new ideas. I can go to an art opening or a lecture and meet someone who sparks new ideas for me. I keep learning and trying new things. And I could go to an art opening and maybe meet a biologist and end up doing a project together, which actually happened. I have some artwork that was done using a photomicroscope with a colleague over in biology. One of the most inspiring moments I've had is a class of mine did research on hunger in Harrisonburg that resulted in an exhibition. And we showed that in a gallery downtown, Arts Council of the Valley. So lots of people came to that, and a lot of people who aren't the usual art crowd. The CEO of the food bank even came for our opening and gave a talk. And it felt like it just opened a lot of dialogue of people who didn't realize that we had such a problem in Harrisonburg. That exhibition ended up going to Prism Gallery International over in Festival. And so a lot of additional JMU students who might not venture to a gallery downtown got to see it there.
This video was produced by